Hey guys, this is Esteban from CashSavvy. I'm going to teach you how to use one of our favorite personal finance tools. First, type CashSavvy.org into your search bar, and once you get to the home page, scroll down to our certification program. You're going to either find yourself logged in or you're going to create a login and a password to access our program. Click on Personal Finance Tracker. This will open an Excel spreadsheet that will contain your budget for next year. My budget is based on an entry-level job of $40,000 a year. This will make a monthly net of $2,700 and a monthly target budget of $2,500 a month. We will be able to see each month and all the expenses, and we can also see that December is over our monthly target budget. We can also see our monthly average spending as well as our yearly savings. $1,600 tax-free sitting on my account, ready to be spent on anything I want. This personal finance tracker will also show us a pie chart where we can visually compare our expenses. This is the Modern Money Guide for College and Beyond, presented by Principio College. What are you waiting for? Join us!